And they're off. And a very even start. Joey Blue Eyes is right up and after the lead. BB Best is coming through on his inside, and Bob's Proud Moment, the center of the track, is a close-up third, and these three all vying for the early lead as they come down the stretch for the first time. Cristalli runs fourth in the early going, and he's already 7 lengths back. Supervisor is down along the inside, and I'm Royally Mecky trails with 1 lap to go, and BB Best has company on the front end from Joey Blue Eyes. The opening quarter was fast, 23-4, and BB Best now establishes the lead as they go to the clubhouse turn. It is BB Best and Roymes Chirinos on the engine. They lead it now by about a length, now a length and a half from Joey Blue Eyes. Bob's Proud Moment settles down into a good gallop third. He's 4 lengths off the pace. It's another 6 lengths back. Here's Cristalli running mid-pack just in front of Supervisor, and I'm Royally Mecky will have to win it from about 15 lengths back. The half mile was 48-2. And now BB Best takes him onto the backstretch now, and he's opened up to lead it by almost 3. It's BB Best under a strong hold right now. BB Best leads him 5 furlongs out. Joey Blue Eyes still there in the second spot. Bob's Proud Moment trying to inch up closer third on the outside. Then it's a big break back, 8 lengths further to Cristalli just outside of Supervisor. I'm Royally Mecky remains the trailer. Not much change as they go past the half-mile mark. 3/4, 1:13-3 for BB Best, and he takes him into the far turn. BB Best, but they're gaining slowly on him now. Bob's Proud Moment is going with a good run, and he's gaining on BB Best. He's within about a length and a half of the lead. Joey Blue Eyes coming under a little bit of a shove. Now Cristalli is starting to hit a good stride, and he's being hard-ridden, but still 6 lengths behind BB Best at the quarter pole. BB Best in front as they come to the top of the lane. Bob's Proud Moment. Cristalli is now starting to roll in, and here comes Cristalli, 3 wide off the turn, and he has got a lot of momentum. They come down to the final furlong. Cristalli coming for BB Best, and he's gone right on by. It's Cristalli onto the front. Supervisor is starting to roll in down the grandstand side. Cristalli leads him. Supervisor moving to second, then Bob's Proud Moment, and Cristalli wins the Oliver. Cristalli beats Supervisor, Bob's Proud Moment, and BB Best.